Hi, welcome to our channel, dear AI aspirants. So, our channel is Alex Tech Projects. So, what are the things we have covered is Anaconda installation and Jupyter Notebook, how to use it, and data types in a Python, modules and packages, how to install and use in Python, and print function in the Python. So these four videos or sessions we have uploaded. If you didn't watch, please watch. And what is the offer or value that I am going to create? Whatever I am learning in a day, in 90 minutes to 120 minutes, I was converting into the precise and concise and sharing with you in a video in 10 minutes so that you can watch at any time, anywhere, anytime. So easy, so simple. The second thing I want to tell, it is a community, it is a group where we need to travel in such a way that we all need to be landed in the AI world. It could be data analyst, machine learning engineer, data scientist, deep learning, and generative AI. These are the different roles or this different subject matter expertise you need to land in there. And apart from that one, my personal values are sharing, caring, and growing. As a technical or technical driven values are nothing but as innovative, creative, and simplify. So without a further delay, now let us jump into the today's session. Today's session is nothing but the input function. So we try to take the input from the user through keyboard, and we need to convert the data into the required data types and do some operations. And we also try to see eval function in today's session. So without further, now let us jump. So in order to know the more information, use the help and give the function or the keyword. So you can see is now input. Now whatever we are writing within the double quotes, see, enter a text. Okay. So now I am running here. Hello, welcome session. So it is printing. So anything is printing in the single quotes or double quotes is nothing but the string. So whatever we are entering and it is taking, it is nothing but the string. How we can see it? Yeah, I am putting like as a variable name. We have discussed the data types and identify, refer to it. So now I am making as a name. Okay, input, enter a text. Okay, so I am putting whatever you are putting in the double quotes, it will try to give the same. It is like a signboard. So whatever it is printing, take left, take right, it's a direction. We need to read it and what value we need to enter. So enter a text, welcome, a good morning. So this is what I have given. So now I want print data type of this one. How you can say type? See, hello. So it is a string. Second one, how we need to print the variable, that also we have seen. Give the name. So it is printing. So now if I want to print both of them, type and the value of the variable, just you can give the type of that one and put a comma and a name. Okay, now yeah, let us. So it is a class string and it is the name. What is the name of this one? It is stored whatever we enter, hello. So default the input function, what we try to enter from the keyboard, it will try to store, that is nothing but the string. String is nothing but the text. Okay, so the default uh, the default data type of the input will be the string. Okay. Now I want to convert into the integer. So I am entering into the 10. I want to be see it as a 10. So number input, okay, enter a number, print, okay, num comma type num. See, it is printing a 10, but it is a data type is a string. So in order to do that one, I am doing the typecast. After this one, I am putting int. Okay. Now you can see 10. This is a 10 value and class is integer. Okay. Now the same thing I am improving, but I want to take it as a float. It's like a temperature. Okay, here enter temperature. So here I am putting as a temp, and here also I am temp and temp. .12, we can say 34.56. So it is a class or a data type is a float and 34.56. So this float it is converting. This int it is from string to integer it is converting. So but this string should contain only the numbers like this. It should not contain the alphabets like it, so that it can get an error. So that is the thing. So but in my case I don't know if I can enter in a float or if I can enter as an integer. So in this case how can you do it? So now I am taking like weight or weight. Sometime I will give it as a digit, sometime I cannot dots. Okay, so it is very dynamic. So that's where this case it has been evolved. So there in that case I am using the eval, enter weight. So if I am entering 70, so it is printing like this. Again I am running 70.12, so it is enter, it is printing like a float. So eval is a very dynamic. So apart from that one we try to see eval 10, 20. So now I am adding, so it is, so this eval you need to put it into the double quotes. So you can see, so it is in a string format, it is taking and doing the mathematical operations. So it should be in the string, input will be the string. So now I am doing divide by 5. So now 20 divided by 5 it is nothing but the 4 plus 10 it is nothing but the 14. Always this should be in the double quotes, or you can make it as a single quotes also. Okay, either single quotes or double quotes. It is evaluating the expression in the within the double quotes. So this is the eval it will try to do, and it is default by following the BODMAS bracket of BODMAS division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So this automatically taking care about these things. So now we have seen, now we see what is the input and how to read the data from the user and how to convert and evolve function. So now let us see one of the example how to add two numbers. So now I am taking the num1 is equal to eval, okay, input, enter a number 1. So I am taking the copy of this one and I am pasting over here and number 2, and I am storing in the number 2. And print, what I am doing is num underscore 1 plus num underscore 2, that is nothing but the sum. Okay, 10, 20, so you can see the sum is nothing but the 30. So like this we can take the input from the user and do the thing. If we want to do the plus operations on the numbers, it should be as an integer or float. Okay, that is the condition, so we have applied. So like this, we in this session we have learned how to take the input from the user. If you want to take the text, you can take the text. If you want to take a number, you need to convert. And if you want to take a boolean, or if you want to take it as in a complex, so all these things it has taken, but only the integer, float, string, these are the most common things we try to give it from the user. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we try to see it in the next video. Thank you very much.